Hello everyone. Today I'm going to cover something that's again really useful when you're developing with Odoo, and it's the inverse methods. So it's really closely related to the compute methods. So here I've defined a few fields to use to show you how it works. Basically, when you're setting a compute on a field, this means that it's going to be well computed based on the method that you're defining underneath. And by default, when you're setting a compute method on a field, this makes it not editable because, well, it has to be triggered and computed, so it shouldn't be manually edited. But what you can do though is add an inverse method on the computed field, and this will make the field editable, but also make it trigger a write on another field. So perhaps, for instance, in here it could be the work days that would be updated when you update work hours. So I've set up the test in the view just to show you how it works. So this is the work days field. This one wasn't computed, but was used in the compute for the work hours. So that means that if I enter another time here, you'll see that it did compute properly. So that was thanks to the compute, which is this one actually. And the inverse method is the bidirectional, I would say, relation between these two. So now if I edit the work hours and I save it, you'll see that it did reflect on the work days. And so the inverse method did just that. It set the value for work days based on work hours divided by 8. So this makes it much more flexible and means that you can trigger another action when you edit a field that should be computed first. Um, so this, I think, shows you already how powerful it can be. I've done another quick demo for it, fairly similar, but you'll see that it is the same principle. So this was the computed method, so it updated the dozens based on the units. But it's again two-way, so I can set it back, and when I save, the inverse method will reflect the change on the source field. So yeah, there you are. I hope it will be useful for you in your Odoo development, and see you soon for the next video. Bye.